awesome latest installment.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed. Good
I did.
morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. I apologize.
Oh, ho, ho.
This thing is like I've been having some
Oh,
technical difficulties this morning. Not going front, but we're live. We're live. So hopefully everything works out the way it should. um, but if I had to reset the computer, I'm gonna let you guys know before I do so. Um, because I had everything set up. Well, I had everything set up all nice and perfect. And then sure enough, my streaming software was acting retarded, saying that I wasn't logged in somehow. And using your passkey. What in the world? Good morning, Mel. Let's see. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. By using your passkey, this is weird. I'm trying to log in on my OBS here. So we are streaming. We are streaming. It's 3:23 p.m. So you would be like, are you past you're over in Europe in that direction?
man, you're intelligent, man. You got it. Yeah.
Let's see.
But listen, I can talk now. I enjoyed your latest installment, the 2.2.
Morning, fellas.
Oh,
Good
there he
morning.
is.
Good morning, gentlemen. I'm glad you like the 2.2.
What's the 2.2?
See, you know what I'm saying? G, you late to the party, bro. You late to the party.
What's 2.2?
No, he's talking about the vlog I posted.
Oh, the vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. On the was that video you posted on the legacy thing or?
No, it was on what's it called? Just on YouTube. Just on YouTube.
Okay. All right. How we looking today?
I feel like we're gonna make some money today.
Money.
Man,
Some money.
y'all see pre-market is shut up.
Let me run downstairs real quick. I'll be right back, people.
Oh my goodness.
I hear echo downstairs.
What's going on, Steve?
Not a lot, brother. How are you? Did you make your box yet?
No, I'm about to do that now. I'm about to make it now. I'm about to go look at the previous high and previous low for yesterday.
Yeah.
And then we'll go from there.
That is it.
But listen, I feel like it's gonna be on top of the box. But
yeah, well, I realized like on the like on Friday how it was just pushing up, it kind of negated the box, but like it, as soon as that move happens, boom.
Right.
Alrighty.
Well, I hope you had fun just walking off your own stream, Duane.
It's always fun. It's always fun.
He said it's always fun. It's always fun.
He's like and subscribe and watch my empty room.
Watch my empty room. This is gonna lock me in. Perfect. Alrighty. All right. We're locked in now, people. We're back. I can focus now. All right, let's jump over on these charts here. Let's see what we got going on.
In the corazon. It's like the control center.
Yeah.
It's the heart.
It's the heart of it. All right, awesome.
You had people like talking over your video trying to be on it. That was hilarious.
Life of a YouTuber, I guess. I'm not sure. First time for that.
Like, Dwayne.
All right. So as it sits right now,
Or just going through. Look at that VWAP touch.
the close from Friday, 25,735. 25,735. We did just come down and pop that pivot point. I'm all over the place. That VWAP.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Looks like we may want to try coming down because we got that gap. We got that 735 gap since that was the close from Friday. We're going to see what we get. Is the audio levels good for everybody? For the music, all that good stuff. We'll take it. We'll take it. We got the high for the overnight, 25,833. 833 above us. I'll be waiting the first 15 minutes before executing any trades.
I'm proud of you. I really am.
Thank you. Getting back to the basics, people. Waiting that first 15 minutes. Like I started just dabbling with that first 15 in my evals, right? But then I realized something. By me dabbling with the evals, that affects you mentally as well. You know what I'm saying? Like that first 15 I put there in place for a reason, to protect us. And I was breaking my own rules. So today, I ain't getting in until 9:45. 9:45. It's going to be painful. I'm not going to lie. It may be painful watching the market just go crazy. But I'm going to try not going crazy myself.
Yeah, the market's going to open in 30 seconds. Order.
That is correct. 30 seconds for market open here. We got a bear flag printing on the 1 minute, which is slightly annoying.
And I did see there's news tomorrow at 10.
Yeah, we got news tomorrow and then on Wednesday as well. So,
how cold was that water where you kind of went in that walking river? Because you were like, you were carrying your girl and stuff.
It was probably, I want to say like in the 60s.
Ooh. Like
low 60s. But once you get in it and you're in it for a little while, it feels really good. Just like over in Europe, like the ocean over there is like cold. Like you need normally like a wetsuit when you're surfing, everything like that. Where when you're in it, that first initial is like, oof. But once you're like in it for a little bit, it warms up to you. Mel, what part of Europe are you in? I was just in Europe a couple months back. One of our new members is from over in Europe.
Awesome.
They live in Europe, so pretty cool. Alrighty, so we came up. We did not touch that high. We're going to see what we get.
See what we get and not throw a fit.
Netherlands bomb from Poland. Okay, that's awesome. I've always wanted to go to the Netherlands and like all those areas out there for the scenery. I need to get out there one day.
I figure that's gonna be in your future.
We never know. We never know. All right, we're starting to get some selling pressure up here, but
you're unconcerned. Yeah,
I am unconcerned because it's not 9:45. You're right, Steve. You caught me. You caught me. You're right. I'm just looking because I want us to get above. If we stay above like the 830 area, because this is the area where we've been having a lot of resistance the last time we were up here. So if we push through, we may start running for that 26,000. but we're just gonna have to wait and see what we get. Well, at least it's pretty there, Mel. You know, that'll make up for the bad weather.
Oh wow, yeah, it's probably real cold there.
Right now, it's been raining where we're at. Well, where some of us are at, since like the past like day and a half, and it's like, when is it going to stop?
It rained a lot for a winter storm. It filled my wheelbarrow up in the back.
Okay.
And we were camping, and like, you know, so I had to take some of the stuff and just I put it in the bed of the truck and I aired it out just before I could store it. But
Yeah.
man, did you see that? Do you see what I put in the group though? That on the discussion.
I did not. Let me pull that out. Let me check it out, sir. All right, looks like it's trying to reject us. Hello. That looks amazing.
Pork shoulder.
I don't care what shoulder is. It looks good. You know what I'm saying? Like.
Oh yeah. Slow and low, baby. Slow and low. And then I cooked the steak, pretty quick, and then put that aside, and we were just eating on that. And then when the shoulder was done, we just like went to town.
Mm-hmm. 10 more minutes here. 10 more minutes for me.
You can't even concentrate on what I'm saying. You're doing such a hard job of like staying out of the market.
Oh, listen, like I'm just watching. I'm like, man, I want to get in.
No, that's a retracement.
That's why I wanted to get in. Let me start doodling. Raining each second day. At least you can plan your days out if you know it's going to rain each second day. We got a lot of selling pressure right now. Just a lot of it. OTK, what's up, brother? Good morning. Them. Good morning. Not trading crypto, trading the Nasdaq. Trading the Nasdaq, sir. For the people jumping in here in the back of the class, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending upon where you're tuning in from. Trading the Nasdaq this morning, like always. Have not taken a trade yet. I am currently waiting the first 15 minutes so we can see what the market's truly trying to do before executing the first trade for the day. It's easier said than done, I will say that. I want to get in already, but I'm holding off because of the rule. So, just waiting. I'll let the market do its chop, everything like that. And hopefully once I'm able to get in, we can make some money. Yes, I said money, people. We don't make money, we make money.
Silly money.
We may potentially build a bull flag up here, but lots of selling pressure. Like I was saying before, we've had a lot of resistance around the 830s.
Well,
so
we're touching that VWAP, or not the VWAP, the EMA, excuse me.
Yep, the EMA.
Heading towards the VWAP.
Because for me personally as well, reason why I am waiting, I was trying to figure out what helped me get the consistent payouts the most. And me holding off from the first 15 truly helped a lot. So I'm like, let me just get back to that because I'm trying to have like a really, really, really good payout month for December here. So, and what I may do, I'll get all the accounts to a payout, and then I may wait till like January 1st to take the payout.
No, that's nice. It's real nice.
And for everyone that knows, that's for tax purposes.
Yep. I don't know, Amby. When the last return I filed for my business was, I think it was like 32 pages.
Oof.
The packet of just like everything. And
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't think the only good about that is you have a good person, you just hand it over and say, do it. But
yeah, luckily with my stuff, it's actually pretty simple, thankfully.
Yeah.
So it's not too crazy. Your boy's feeling dehydrated today. I did not drink enough water yesterday. So now I gotta double it up.
No, guy, you're going to be peeing in no time.
No, because for me, I've been drinking a gallon of water for such a long period of time now, where it doesn't even make me have to pee like that. Body got used to it at this point. Another bear flag. Try and print. I need all this to hold. I need everything to hold till 9:45.
Oh, so you want the market to wait on you?
Pretty much.
Do you think that's a fair thing for the friends out there who are trying to make money now that don't have your patience?
Life isn't fair. Well, life is not fair, so. But good thing is, say it doesn't wait for me, right? What do we know about the flags? They always repeat themselves.
Hey, wait, say that again. I didn't quite catch that.
The flags always repeat themselves. So, not catching this first one, I'm just going to wait for the next one.
Whole number time.
Yep. We may end up coming down to the close 7:35 from Friday. The patience of a god today, just patiently waiting. For everyone in the chat, have you guys taken a trade yet? If you have, are you green or are you red?
I have not taken one personally. Well, I did do my sim, so I'm up in the green in the sim, just a little tester.
Okay. Another bear flag trying to print, but we do have that long wick. We do have that long wick, so that's the only thing that on the poll. I'm not big with that wick right there.
My box, but Nasdaq, look where it's at. I'll make it go on top.
All right, let's see if we. All right, and we're moving.
Now we're gonna fucking swipe that low and go right back up.
Oh, that's two bear flags I just missed. Oh, 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes.
While the Nasdaq is trying to speed stuff.
Just waiting.
Something's bleeding through.
That's G's on G side.
Oh, y'all hear something?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can hear it, sir. We can hear it. We can hear PW in the background.
Pee Wee Herman.
Alrighty. Well, still hands off.
Same here.
This is the hardest hands off 15 minutes yet.
He actually it was like a stutter in the middle of minutes. It's almost like minutes.
I'm like trying to respect the rule, you know what I'm saying? Like just trying to respect it, but man, the market, the one day I respect it, okay, that makes me feel better right there.
Yeah, if you were going short on that, goodbye. This is why we hold the 15 minutes.
Yeah, we're waiting, people. For all the new people in the back of the class on the stream. Waiting till 9:45 to be able to start executing trades here. We're waiting for the first 15 minutes. Easier said than done. Look at those wicks on this current 2-minute candle.
Look at the 5-minute. It's like,
alrighty.
so you're gonna keep us up on the news of when we should switch to the 326 or whatever it's gonna be.
We probably have another week to 2 weeks before we switch. All right, looks like I wouldn't say a bear flag because that pull was too strong. So I won't say a bear flag. This may be the beginning of a bull flag.
Just that buoyancy, how it shot up like that. That was kind of scary.
All right, so technically, less than 20 seconds, I'm clear to start taking some trades.
Well, wait, you gotta finish it up there.
But we're gonna be still waiting. Now we have to wait for the actual move here, because we got that big old wick on that 2-minute candle, and the 1-minute candle, and the 5-minute candle. So we just want to see a bull flag print here, and we'll take it higher. If we get below the VWAP, which is currently sitting at, let's see where the VWAP is actually sitting here. VWAP is currently sitting at 795.75. If we get below that, let's see if we build a bear flag below the VWAP. Come on, Betsy. It's 9:45. I'm ready. Come up on 9:46 now, so the 15-minute range will be fully completed.
Can you, and when you get a chance and you're not looking for a trade, if you'll confirm the
yeah, I'll confirm right now for you, sir. The low of the 15-minute range, 771.50. 771.50. The high of that 15-minute range is all the way up there at 860.75. 860.75.
Awesome.
That's our 15-minute range. So we're pretty close to the middle of the 15-minute range currently.
We
do not diddle in the middle, people. Now I'm like antsy, you know what I'm saying? Like now I'm just like, your boy's ready to jump in, but gotta have the right move. We're not just jumping in and jump in. Watch us just chop right here. That'd be horrible. That'd be horrible. Like a skilled sniper waiting. We're waiting. We're laying in prone right now. We're at the sites. We're watching. We're getting ready to hold our breath to execute the trade.
Yeah, you're like a spelunker. That was a good part of that video, by the way, where you explained that you wouldn't be a spelunker.
Yeah, I had to. I had to.
I'm with you there, though. We need to. I would like to quote Duane and say, "I'd like to see a flag."
Well, right now the momentum's taking us lower. Just popped out of the low of that 15-minute range. Alrighty. Oh boy. Looks like we're going down to that 735, 735. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Oh, boy. I see the momentum. We have not had a flag yet. Which is like, Do I potentially going to take a quick scalp to that 735? Just make sure the button works.
Oh.
Just to make sure the button's working today.
Pivot point at 27.
Yeah, we almost tapped it there. Here comes that pivot. There we go. The pivot and the first target. So just go complete melt right there. Alrighty. Are we going to start stair stepping down?
I got to get a doodle going.
Yeah, get your doodle going, sir. Because man, oh man, like I almost FOMO'd into a trade right there. I did not jump in only because I told myself I'm not going to chase it. Yeah, it's trying to push right back up to that low, that 15-minute range.
There's a fine line between chasing it and sniping it.
Yep.
Remember that.
You're correct, sir. Let's see if we're going to start building a structure below this 15 for a flag.
That's what I'd like to see.
Which I'm all for. Got a serious wick on that 5-minute candle. Come on, market. Let's see what you're trying to do. So we're in the 15-minute range right now. That doesn't scare me. Just want to see us build. Like, we just rejected that 15, low of the 15 right there. So we're back below it.
Hey, just let a flag happen, baby.
Yep.
It's looking like a bear flag on that 2-minute.
Yep. I see it. I see it.
And on the 5-minute too.
We're just waiting. We're waiting for the confirmation so we can execute. I got the 1-minute pulled up today on this bottom because I got my 2-minute on this screen over here that I'm monitoring.
Hello? Okay, no more about it. So I jumped in for tomorrow, so I have more time. If you go low today, I can use some content. Okay. I just draw it.
That's what it's doing now.
Just waiting because on that 1 minute, it definitely is looking like it's trying to do a bear flag there, but just want to see the full momentum.
Yeah, you definitely don't want it to dawdle.
Yep. We are below the 15-minute range, so.
Oh, I lost it on that 2-minute.
Yeah, not liking this dance right here on the Rincos. I may close this one.
We jumped in on here. Supposed to go down, but it went up. It was opposite.
Well, I was holding. I was trying to get a little bit more. I was trying to get a little bit more. I saw 280. I could have closed, but I did not.
Thinking about moving. It is. It's
I'm not liking the dance right here. I don't like that little consolidation.
Remember that, like when you were at that disco in X Correct and you were telling everybody that.
Not the disco. Yeah, I killed it. I don't like the movement. Trying to pop up to that 15-minute range to the low. And then now it's going to watch. That's crazy. Let's see. I will re-enter if we start moving in the right direction here. But I wasn't trying to wait for it to stair step up on me. It's almost 10 o'clock as well. Almost 10 o'clock as well, people.
Yeah, I'm keeping an eye out on it for you because I know that you're in a trade.
I am in a trade.
There's 3.5 minutes until 10.
Super tight right here. Are we going to waterfall down slightly? I closed that one. Not liking the movement. Not liking. We're right here on this resistance right here. Not feeling it.
It's trending sideways. I mean,
but this is a bear flag. This is a bear flag. And we have less than 2 minutes, a little bit over 2 minutes for 10 o'clock here. So I'm going to be waiting until after 10 now to execute another trade.
Have you picked out your next room for X Correct? Because you had the one that was like the beach view. You had the one where the pool was on the thing.
I'm going to have to see what they got. Because at the end of the day, since it's just going to be me and my girl this time, we may have to get something different. We may have to get something different. We'll see.
Oh my goodness. The hot tub that's in shape of a heart.
And now the bear flag's trying to, but I can't take it. We're too close to that 10 o'clock.
Well, yeah, because it's just over a minute till 10.
Yeah, I'm not trying to jump into a trade, 10 o'clock hit, and then it get ugly. All right, there's that close from Friday, 7:35 tap. We tapped it again. Since 10 o'clock is get ready. Come on, let me come over here. I'm gonna rotate to my other funded account. I'll possibly come back to this one. We'll see. 3, 8. Alrighty. Just rotate to one of my other growth funded accounts with Tradeify.
5 seconds till 10 o'clock.
Yeah, be careful. Do not be in a trade right now, people. Do not be in a trade. The market gets weird at those whole time frames, like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Like, today is a no news Monday, but whenever there's news coming out, it drops at 10, 9:45, 11, 8:30. Those are your main windows. So you never want to be in a trade around those time frames. On this 1 minute, it looks like a small bear flag trying to print once again. That's on the 1 minute. Want to see something like on the 2. We do have those wicks on these candles, so we're just going to have to see what direction the market actually wants to move in. I want us to push up just slightly to give us a nice solid bear flag.
And keep watching the 2 minute, like hoping that it closes green.
Patience, people, patience. Hopefully all you guys are having a good Monday morning or Monday afternoon or Monday evening, depending upon where you're tuning in from across the globe.
Monday afternoon for our friends in Switzerland or Norwegian.
The Netherlands. All righty, Bulls trying to push us up slightly. We're just honestly, we're waiting. We gotta see the move.
Pushing through the 1 minute 21 EMA.
For everybody in the chat, how's everyone feeling today? Is everyone feeling good? I'm feeling amazing today. I got some good sleep. I have a hot date tonight as well. You know, I'm just excited. I'm excited. I'm going to my favorite restaurant tonight. Going to the restaurant. Going to go get me a Tommy. Gotta get the tomahawk. So, gotta be excited about that. But the only thing is going to be funny, right? Because their bottled sparkling water is literally the same water I drink at the house. So it's just gonna like I'm gonna laugh when they try to hit me for like all this extra money for the bottom when I get this in like cases. I'm like, oh, okay. Probably what they're going to charge me will cover one case.
Yeah, it's like getting a drink at a theme park.
Pretty much. I'm still waiting to execute another trade here. I'm no longer rushing. You know what I'm saying? Like that was one of my things that I realized I was doing way too much. I was rushing to jump into the market again. Where that rushing in is what will cause a lot of losses at the end of the day.
Yes, comrade. You're no longer Russian. Coming up on that 15-minute range.
Yeah, we tapped into it once again there. I did just move the line up, so that may make the market start going down. So get ready, people. Get ready. Whenever I put the line above it, it always goes down. Whenever I put it below it, it goes up. You know, so that's a joke, people. Don't be trying to go against what I'm doing here.
It hurt sometimes. All right.
Let's see if we potentially build out a bull flag here. Or is this going one big ol'... Let's look over here. Not really liking... Don't really have like solid pulls. I could be like, okay, this is a really big bear flag. You know. Come on. Let's see. We're in a real tight range right here. Not really moving right now.
Not moving.
So we're doing our best not to trade it. If it's not moving, people don't trade
Monday's
it.
a chilling day.
Chilling like a villain.
Chilling like a villain.
Want to see something. Like maybe we build a flag off this candle right here, off this 2-minute candle.
Truer words were never spoken, Batman. I want to see something.
Hey, we're all here for one simple reason. We all want to make some money a day.
I just feel it needs to go forth. You know, like choose a side and run a little bit because it just. My goodness.
Tonight, most likely there will not be a traders hangout tonight, only because I do have a hot date I gotta go on tonight. But I may stream. I may stream from the restaurant for like 30 minutes so you guys can see the show, everything like that. My favorite restaurant. But no official traders hangout tonight, but I may go live from the restaurant just to show you guys the place. But tomorrow night we'll be back in action for the rest of the week, actually. All the way through Saturday, the traders hangout. This week as well for Legacy Wealth Society. We got a training. I may have to push it back till Wednesday. I'll let you guys know later today.
Yeah, let us know.
But we will have that training.
Like it's looking like it's trending down, but it's not going down like you know, it's not going down with strength. I don't know. Maybe it's kind of like choppy.
That is correct, Jordan. We do not have the momentum right now.
Yeah.
I know he can't hear me, but
No, you can. He hears
oh.
you.
I feel him as well, but we need the momentum to show us that we're going down.
Momentum, man, it's chopping down slowly though, but it's not getting into a power flag.
Yep. That's why we're sitting here and waiting. Because we got all these wicks on these candles. We got all these wicks showing selling pressure. So when it finally breaks, it's going to break. It's going to waterfall. But we got to get there. And this is me not trading the chop.
Yeah, this is like chopped salad, man.
And I don't eat chopped salad. So best believe I can't be in the market either. We're tapping that yellow line I put on the chart there.
Oh,
let's see.
Goodness.
Let's see what happens, gentlemen and ladies.
And it popped back up.
We tapped the line, but we didn't have the momentum.
Well, I'm staying away.
No, it's like it was going, and it's like, are you crazy? That's Duane's line. Oh, sorry, let me reverse.
And now, since it did pop up, I pulled. Well, I'm trying to pull this line a little bit closer to that wick. There we go. So moved it down a little bit so it keeps me out of jumping in. Yeah, this music's way too. Maybe if I changed our music, maybe the market will start moving faster.
Yeah, I mean, we should get off the elevator once in a while.
This is where I can't find where the music's at. Uh-oh. I'm trying to change the music and look at the market all at the same time. Someone help. This is so weird. I can't find the tab that the music's on. Oh, did I do that? Okay, found it. I found it. Oh, we're starting to move down. Uh-oh.
No, you look. So it's like, look, as soon as Duane looks, go back.
Let's see if we start to come back down. I'll probably wait till we get through that 735 level. Because we've had a lot of resistance at that 735.
Yeah, and I get to that pivot point.
Yep. Once we get through that 735, I'll probably take a quick short to the pivot.
Yeah, there's buoyancy right there.
Yep, that's why I'm not just trying to jump in.
Shot right back up.
Yeah, I got my horizontal line. It's the premium custom indicator.
The premium custom indicator. That's awesome.
Win every trade with my patented system.
For everyone at their house in the back of the class, hopefully you guys are doing good. I may have to drop that audio a little bit. That sounded kind of hot there. Let me check it. I could probably pull it down just a tad. Just a tad. Gotta love these Monday morning, no news Mondays when we're literally just going sideways right now down here. Still patiently waiting. If you want to win at trading, you gotta learn how to have patience. I'll tell you that. I gotta hit the gym today. I gotta hit chest day today. All right, coming back down to that 730, well, 735 level. All right, there's the 735.
It's not punching through with purpose.
Right back up there. I'll hold it for another couple seconds. I thought we were getting ready to have a nice little push to that pivot point.
Well, he jumped in another one. Oof. It's about to go down, boy. It touched that pivot point, but it just keep bouncing back.
It didn't touch the pivot. It did not touch the pivot yet.
Okay.
Yeah,
it got close to it and it bounced back up. Well, it didn't around that area. I'm seeing where you jumped in at too. Yeah, it just keeps bouncing up, man. That 730, that's the 25 730 level.
Mm-hmm.
Wants to lose this 735 level.
Okay,
And
you good?
keep going.
Just keep going down. That's all.
Tell him.
Quick 360 right there on this account. Quick 360 there. We touched that pivot point. That's what I was targeting. I let it sit for a little bit longer on that one just to see if we would get a little bit more push through the pivot to keep it going down. But down here in this area right now, we've had two wicks. Two wicks at 948. And then just right there as well, where we bounced in this area. So let's keep that in mind. Let me get ready to rotate to the next account. Yes, I trade multiple accounts. I do not put all my eggs in one basket. There we go. Let's see what type of move we get here. No news Monday, no news Monday. So we got to take what we can get today. We can't be overly greedy. Like even on the one bad trade I took this morning, it only ended up bad because I was greedy. So now I know what I'm working on for this week. I got to work on the greed factor because I was up 280, but I need more. I need more. And it pulled back on me. I did close out. I cut it so that way it wouldn't go further in a drawdown. But on that account, that one 690 in the red, which isn't crazy, which I could get it back. But I'm not going to go back to it today. I'll go back tomorrow. This is all about longevity, people. Because since you guys are watching the stream, that lets me know you guys want to do this long term for your freedom. Because that's what trading gives you. Like, don't look at the money side or anything like that. Trading honestly gives you freedom. Freedom to go where you want. Freedom to do whatever you want. freedom to buy what you want. So a lot of people, they try getting people with the flash, the glitz, the glamour. But for the average person, you just want freedom. We just want freedom. That's why I chose it.
I'm trying to make stuff, bro.
No, we all trying to make some, you know what I'm saying? Like, but you want it for the freedom. So you can travel, you can do what you want when you want. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's everybody's dream. That's what trading can provide. It's not about flashy cars or big old houses. Those are nice. But
Wait, so you tell me that I don't gotta go and like stand in front of somebody else's Lamborghini and pretend that I'm a
nope, you don't have to go stand in front of someone's Lamborghini. All right, it looks like it wants to come down to this pivot. We do have this bear flag trying to print on this 2-minute chart. Let's look at the 1 minute. Not a big fan of this 1 minute, I'll tell you that. Looking kind of spooky. Just look at all that consolidation. I'll go to the 2 minute.
Look at the 5 minute, man. I like sent that trail down and like that wick on the bottom got bought up.
Well, we got a lot going on in this area right now because right below that pivot at what level? 72675. That's our first target. So we got the pivot point, then that first target. So we got a lot of how do I put it? Resistance, everything like that in one little area. You know what I'm saying? So you have the pivot sucking the price down, but then you have some resistance on that first target.
Yeah, and then there's also a trend line that's kind of that's showing at 723. It's part of that the VWAP tool.
All right, there we go. Through the pivot, through that first target. Let's see if we start making new lows here. Just made a new low for this session, 718. 718 for the new low. But third time we pop back up after getting down here. Third time now for today. So let's be careful.
3 times the market.
Not trusting us so close to this pivot. I want to see us get away from it.
Need to shake it loose.
We're stalling down here. I don't like the stall. We need speed. Right back above that pivot. Steve, with the vlog, since you said you enjoyed it, what was like one of your favorite things? Or before you even tell me that, how did you feel the editing was? Because that I'm gonna pick your brain on the editing stuff.
I have a lot of compliments for you. The way you you did that hand for like a transfer, and then you added that dissolve and added a little audio underneath it. That was prime stuff.
Awesome.
You had a nice establishing shot right after, so it was I was very happy. I mean, it was entertaining to the whole thing through. You know, I mean,
awesome.
Yeah, I mean, it just like I was proud. I guess is the best way because it was just like that. The way you went into that, like the first minute was just like boom.
If you were, that just makes me happy. If you were good with it, I'm good with it. You know, because you're the maestro when it comes to editing. You know what I'm saying? Like you know how to do it so smooth. Just trying to follow in your footsteps.
Well, you did. I mean, and it was just like the audio was like better. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
throughout. So okay, we're gonna hit this whole number if we.
Yep. Let's see. We get to that 700 level. Oh Nelly. Oh Nelly. You know what I'm saying? The 700 was the overnight low. There we go. 700 just hit. All righty. All right. On the Rinkos, on the Ninja that you guys are seeing, the red line, that's the low. So now let's see if we stair step it. That's what happens normally when we see this red line. We'll tap it. We're going to pop up a little bit, and then it's going to keep going down. So there's the pop up right there. That's okay. Let's see if we get a nice little follow through here. Or we may build another bear flag down here. But definitely wait till we get below that 700 if you're trying to take a short. Because above the 700, could you? Yes, but whenever you're around those whole numbers, the market moves weird.
Yeah, you want to make sure it doesn't just rebound and take your gains.
I did not get filled where I wanted to. So that was annoying right there. Quick $200 right there on that little scalp. We're coming down to the second target as well. Second target literally almost got tapped right there. Second target was at 682. Straight through that. All righty. Let's see. Bouncing back up slightly here. This is what I mean about the stair step. We'll have a slight push up, then a down. Let me rotate. I'm going to rotate to another account.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I think G's in a trade, people. I think G's in a trade.
I took it, man.
No, of course.
I took that 700, man. I wasn't trusting it.
Yeah, lock in those profits, people. Lock in those profits. We're just melting right now.
Yes. On my self-funded account, I'm taking a payout now.
Oh, that's awesome. Good job, Steve.
Where do we go from here, baby? Do you think it's gonna?
Well, I jumped in on a quick little short. It pulled right back. Thought we were going to get a little bit more follow through. This is on a eval, so I'm not sweating. But I will close that so I can take another trade on it because that's a growth account. So they stop you out so you can't trade it until the very next day. I'm actually going to switch over to a different growth account because this weekend, I highly recommend, like tonight, for everyone that's trading with Tradeify, go in and make sure you turn off those subscriptions. Because I got caught over the weekend where a couple of them renewed. And I wasn't trying to renew any because I already have more than enough. So,
but you should keep them going if you have the opportunity.
Yes.
If you don't want to pay that double price.
Yeah, so if you have the advanced account, yes, keep it. But if you don't have the advanced account, don't keep the subscription.
The almost like you're pulling from a wine bottle. Ladies and gentlemen, that looks like a wine bottle, but it's actually water. Like the bougiest trading show on the internet right now. It's like
Wow, that's crazy. The bougiest trading. That's crazy.
no, yeah, like you're pulling from a wine bottle as you're doing it. Like, let me have a little slam of the.
At least I'm not holding my pinky up while I'm drinking. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least I'm not doing that.
Yeah, that would be bad.
I see a potential flag, but we do have that big old wick on it. So you guys know by now, I'm not a big fan of flags with the big old wicks like that. If we're trying to take a short, just saying, people.
I brought it to the Gucci store from like 3 months ago. That's ready to get picked up. I gotta go pick it up.
What are we gonna get here?
Kind of resting on a whole number.
It's come up for that 1030 as well. 1030 is getting ready to pop up here. Oh, there it goes. For the rest of this session, I'm just going to work on some of these evals that I got. Already put money in some fundeds. So with that, now I'm just going to keep rotating through these accounts. Wants to get through this yellow line. If we get through, I may take another short here. Want to see some strong momentum. Your boy needs some momentum here.
Yeah, it's your boy is right because this sucker just like it's like you get these big moves and then it just the best trading right now is not until that next move.
Yep.
We'll be waiting.
We're waiting.
Well, right now, looking at the 2 minute, getting ready to flip. The Bulls just flipped that candle.
Yes, they did.
Are they going to be able to hold it flip? That's the question. Because if they hold it, we're going to start possibly pushing up here.
It's got the support of that whole number too, so they can kind of push it past there.
Because looking at the 5, we got two of those candles with those bottom wicks, showing that the buyers are trying to step in.
I have to go get some more water, so this will be when the magic happens, right?
Get ready, people. Steve's leaving his computer, so trade's going to happen now.
Yeah, you ready for the 8-inch candle? Be right back.
Starting to go up a little. She's starting to go up, Duane?
Yeah, I jumped in.
Minimum sit was going up. past the pivot?
Well, if it does, I'm all for it. Let's go, Betsy.
Ooh, that's 7.
All right, right there. Quick 460. Quick 460 right there. Looks like we may start building a bull flag. Let's see if we build that bull flag.
Did he take a trade when I was gone? Because it looks like
I did. Like, as soon as you walked away from the desk, I'm like, he's gone. I got to take a trade now. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah, well,
I did take a trade.
And G called out another 700. It's like, that's another 700.
Ooh, I thought it was gonna do that drop because I'm like, oh, I saw 7, 8. I was like, is he gonna do it again? Ooh, that pivot, man. That pivot is a magnet, man.
Well, we've been preaching that for how long now? The pivot points act as a magnet, people. So whenever you see a pivot point on your screen, if you have that indicator turned on, just know the price likes to go to them. Those pivots are like support and resistance zones. So it always pulls the price. I need to trade some of my select accounts. Get those. I want to get those passed so I can start getting daily payouts on them. For everybody on the YouTube streams, make sure you guys are liking, subscribing, all that good shenanigans, helping the channel grow. We've been growing at a rapid rate. I appreciate all you guys tuning in, everything like that. We're now pushing over 80,000 views a month.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, as Steve said. But what's crazy is those numbers are what channels do when they have like 3,000 to 5,000 subscribers. That's what's crazy about it. So we're already pushing those numbers, and we do not have 3,000 to 5,000 subscribers yet. So I'm excited. It makes me excited, people.
Very good. Very good.
I see a potential bear flag on the 5. Potential bear flag on the 5 minute.
Where you see that? There?
Potential bear. Potential bear.
That's it.
Just bear with me to see if this plays
my
out.
Goodness.
Oh, not the dad jokes today. I'm sorry, people. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me turn this way. Pinky up.
What happened? What happened, Duane?
No, it's just drinking my water. Just drinking my water.
What was that? That Saratoga?
Yes, sir.
That's the best water.
Come on now. You think we just get Zephyr Hills, G? Like, no.
Listen. That's just to drink around. But the Saratoga, yeah, I know about that. That's the
Sponsored by Legacy Wealth Society, Saratoga. No, I'm playing.
Join today and get a second bottle. But wait, there's more.
There's another water too that's good too. It's called Pana. Pana water.
Okay. Yep. I had that actually. What restaurant was I at?
Panna.
Yeah, me and my girl, we went to an Italian spot, and that's all that they had. They didn't have the sparkling water, so I had to get their spring water, and it was actually really good. Nothing better than water that tastes like nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, gotta love it.
So did you solve your conundrum about what you're going to get delivered to your house?
I'm thinking about just pulling the trigger on the Mountain Valley spring water glass bottles because, hey, when you want to be the best, you gotta have the best.
All right, that's it. Okay, thank you. All right.
Alrighty, are we going to start moving down here? I got my yellow line on the chart. If we start inching closer and closer to it, I may take a short. But just patiently waiting. Actually, while I'm patiently waiting, I'm going to rotate to another account. Because just lock this in. You know what I'm saying? Just lock it in. Oh, I do have that one. Ooh, I have not traded that. The market's not moving how I want to trade that account today. But I will trade one of my select accounts. Where's it at? There we go. You know, on this account, I will size down just slightly. I'm going to trade 2 contracts instead of 4 contracts. Looking at the 2 minute, I feel like this is one big old bear flag that's trying to play out.
Come on, mister.
It's like it's hanging on that whole number.
Yep. Not taking a trade yet.
Boy, you better than me.
Not trying to be better than anybody. I'm just like not trying to lose money today.
Keep going down. Keep going down.
Just for everyone on the stream, the voice you hear that's talking to the market, his name's G. He's our spirit animal for our community because he talks to the market. You know what I'm saying? He's the market whisperer for Legacy Wealth Society here.
Give it to us.
Hanging out right at this whole number right now. We got less than 20 more minutes for 11 o'clock. And that's where I will be jumping off this train today. Have to send out invoices, all that good stuff today. So, gotta get it done, you know? Clients, they don't want to pay you unless they get an invoice.
Yeah, oh, you forgot to bill me? Well, we forgot that we owe you money.
Or what's worse is when you send the invoices, right? And then they wait until like the week that they're supposed to be paying it. But oh, we never received it. It's like, well, I have this confirmation email from your system saying you got it. Like, you can't say you didn't get it. Like,
yeah.
You should turn that feature off saying received. Like, alrighty, so we're tapping the yellow lines. I'm slightly tempted. I'll probably wait till we get like closer to 690. 690. I'll probably take a short there. So that at least gives us a little bit away from the 700.
Yeah, it's got to lead. It's got to move a little bit down.
It's gonna go down.
I hope it goes down. Connor, I'm glad you like it, sir. I'm glad you're here, sir. You know, Connor, where are you trading, sir? All right, there we go. Start. We're below the yellow line, people. We're below the line, so you know what that means. It may pop up.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of momentum right now on the with the market, so
that's an understatement.
So that's why I'm not like overly excited just to jump in because there's not that fast momentum. Well, Connor, the live will definitely help you. If you want a simple, I mean, stupid simple strategy to use to make really good money each and every day, join the community. It's completely free right now for the month of December. And I have my strategy in there for everyone to use completely for free right now. I can't say it's going to be free next month for a new member signing up, but this month I can say for all new members, it is free.
Hey, we're hitting 90 now.
Click the founders group. Click the founders group. We did hit 90. Good call out, Steve. Let's see what we get. You know, I'm not.
Well, I know, but it's you looked at the screen. It's like, okay, chill out, man.
Connor, just so you know, we're trading futures. We're trading the Nasdaq over here. We like putting lightning in a bottle. That's what we're doing, trading the Nasdaq. Yeah, Steve would say, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
I'm telling you, it's
I want to go take a short right here, right? I really, really want to. I'm fighting the urge because there's not enough momentum right here. And looking at these wicks on my trading view, it's not giving me the warm and fuzzies. Okay. Well, I want to go short, but I'm not getting like that, like straight confirmation that I want.
It's already popping above that whole number again, so there's a lot of this resistance.
Looks like we got a lot of resistance on this around the second target we have below the 15-minute range. On my chart, 682.25 is the second target. The second target is 682.25, gentlemen and ladies. So right down here around this area, we got bought up previously. Let's see, 1, 2, on 3 candles, we got bought up. Well, actually 4. So just got to keep that one in mind while we're down here. Just patiently waiting. Today is a no news Monday, people. So we already know no news Mondays. It's going to chop a lot. It's not going to be clean momentum. It's not going to be just showing you exactly what it wants to do because it's just hanging out. It drops down, hangs out, goes up, hangs out, drops down. It's a back and forth today. So we got to love it.
Well, I'm only finding solace like in the 5-minute because it just like kind of hands off and seeing if it'll like set up a big move.
I would like that because I got to get on stream at 11. So hopefully it gives us something before 11. But in the grand scheme of things, I'm okay with my trading performance today. Only had 1 losing trade. Everything else was green. So I could take that. I could live with that for today on a no news Monday. Come on, Betsy. Show us something. Are we potentially going to build a bear flag on this 5? Want to see like one more green candle or half a green candle right next to this one before it takes us lower. On the in the channel bio, Connor, click the Legacy Wealth Society link in the description of these videos as well. Click that link and click the founders group, and that'll get you in. It's not on Discord. It's a completely different like third-party service that we're using because it can grow with us. Because with Mighty Networks, that's the platform we use. Hopefully by the end of 2026, we'll have our own personal app from Mighty Networks, which would be great. Patiently waiting. When I start singing, boys, that's when you know Mark is not doing nothing. Because I'm not holding on to the wall. I'm holding on to my little bit of water I got left in this. But man, what a struggle today.
Well, we got 40 seconds on the 5 minute, so actually 2, 3, and 5 are 1, 2, and
Yep.
5 are all gonna close.
All together. I'm excited for Connor. Connor's new to the stream. He's going to be able to get dialed in on his trading with a simple strategy. So excited for him. Excited for everybody, to be honest with you guys. Because I'm excited to see all you guys win. Because when you win, if I have a losing day, it brings happiness to my heart. Because I'm like, okay, I lost, but everybody else won. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's all that matters. Everyone winning.
Oh, y'all just left?
Nope, I'm still here, G. I did not leave, sir.
Just touching the line on the 5.
Looking at the Rincos, just straight consolidation right now.
Oh, yeah.
All righty, popping below, trying to pop below that 5-minute line. Oh, Nelly. Pop through that second target as well. I want to see us push with some like momentum, only because last time we popped below this second target, we popped right back up. So
Wow, you about to run a red light.
just waiting. We popped right above that second target once again. That's why I was waiting. I do not want to go short until I see full momentum here, people. We need strong momentum. Because the next target below us, we have Friday's low 651.25. And then below that, we have 637.50. That's the third target below the 15-minute range today.
The 1 minute, I know it's not your preferred interval, but it's getting interesting if it'll close green.
I'm looking at the 1 minute currently. That's just, look how slow the market's been coming down. You know what I'm saying? Looking at that 1 minute.
Going slow. Hey man, this dog. This. I see why. Mondays. No.
Yeah, Mondays with no news. If it's a Monday with news, we would get some good moves. But Mondays without news, it's slow. Once again, a big old wick down here.
Oh, you're not kidding.
Like, I'm not feeling these big old wicks down here.
Yeah, the 1
What
minute,
does that
man.
mean?
It
With
just
those
erased
wicks, with those wicks headed down there, what does that mean?
Buyers.
Yeah,
They pushed it up, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So whenever you have these long wicks on the bottom of the candles, that means there's a lot of buying pressure. So if you have a wick on top, that's selling pressure. Bottom buying, top selling, you know. So, and remember, you can use that if you're looking for a short, right? You don't want to take a short when you see a wick on the bottom of the candle. Like, you're literally taking a short into buyers. That's like me standing in front of the wave. I'm like, oh yes, the wave's coming. And instead of me going with the wave, I turn around and face it and let just smack me right in my face. You know what I'm saying? We're not trying to do that. We're not trying to do that, people.
Serving with Duane is a full contact sport.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
That was Love.
We're above that second target as well. Let's see. I may end up, if this doesn't play out for a short, I may just go long and sit back and relax. Because as it sits for me personally, I don't want to take a short until we probably get below 663 or even like the 657. Because those are the two wicks on two previous candles below us here. So like I'm like, I may just hold off.
Yeah, because it goes to that zone and it's like immediately retraces, as Moose, the crime fighter, would say.
Like the 5 minute and the 2 minute are showing like a slight bear flag, but we need the momentum here. Without the momentum, people, there is no confirmation to jump in. I want to swipe that previous wick. Fingers on the trigger, ready if we swipe it. All right, there's the swipe.
It's right there, but man, with that wick, it doesn't want to give it up.
Yeah, so as it sits right now, wait till 657 even. Let's get below that to possibly take a short. If you're trying to take a short here, because
yeah, well, look at it. It just well, now it's gonna.
All righty, there we go. All right, now it's on and popping. So we swiped those previous wicks, just made a new low. All right, now we got some things we could look for. So we tapped Friday's low, 651.25. We did make a new low for this session as well. So what normally happens when you see us tap the red line on the chart here, we'll pop up. And if we're really going to start going down, right, we're going to stair step down. But the last time we made lows down here, the market instantly got bought up and we went back close to the first target. So the market always repeats itself. So if that's what we previously did.
Wait, what was
earlier
you said?
About which
The market does something?
it always repeats itself.
Repeat.
Dre Dollars. Good morning, sir. Dre Dollars in the chat. I was just about to get off too, but since Dre Dollars here, I may wait like an extra 5 minutes. So well, I'm not feeling these wicks. I am not feeling these wicks, people. Pushed it up. Like I said, I'm trying to go with the wave, not against it today. You are correct. Dre, you are 100% correct. The markets are choppy today because it's a no news Monday. So we have been going down, but it's been a choppy stair step down. Here comes 11. We got less than a minute for 11 o'clock here hit. A few minutes after 11, I will be tuning off here.
So you could do invoices and then sneak back on and secretly trade.
Possibly. You never know. If I get the invoices done quick enough, I may. Who knows? But I gotta get the invoices done first because I want to get to the gym before the crowd gets there.
Yeah.
So.
Hey, Mr. Broom, we need a card on file. Why? Just because.
Yeah, that was hilarious. Like thinking back to him, like it's one thing if I like my membership's like needs to be renewed like right then and there, but I pay annually. So if my membership is still active, why are we talking?
Exactly.
Yeah, we got news tomorrow and on Wednesday, Dre. All right, is this going to be the step down here? Horrible fill right there. I clicked before we had the little drop there. All right. Oh, I closed. What happened? Close. What is going? I just closed. That was scary. I closed. Massive lag right there. Massive lag.
Yeah, it did it on mine too.
Listen. Woo.
It did it on mine too, bro.
Had the heart pumping. I'm like, wait, I hit close. Why is this still showing? Woo. Woo. Woosah.
110 right there, but damn.
Dre, no scheduled traders hangout tonight, but I may go live from the restaurant. If we got good service, everything like that. I will go live from my favorite restaurant so you can see the show with us. Like when they bring the tomahawk out, you know what I'm saying? They're carving it in front of the table for me to eat, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'll show you guys that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? But for the rest of the week, Tuesday through Saturday for sure, traders hang out every night, 9:30 p.m. And Dre, also, just so you know, either tomorrow night at 7 or Wednesday night at 7, we'll be having a training for Legacy as well. So.
Oh my God, she's dropping, fellas.
She is dropping. She's dropping like it's hot.
It's in the 6:30.
Let me rotate to the other select account. Where's it at? There we go. I'm just rotating accounts today. It's a choppy day. So no reason just to put money in one account. You got to put money in all of them. So we did hit that third target. Check that out. We're below the third target right now. Let's see. Are we going to get a slight pop up, or I want to see a slight pop up so I can take a short here. Wants to stay below the third target.
The 1 minute looked like it was going to present, and then it closed red at the last second, which is kind of interesting.
What? What was that? It was only a 2 contract. Hold on. Oh, let me not click that button. Oops. Clicking too many buttons right now. Yes, sir. Build the accounts. Okay, why did it not let me just trade? That's weird. Let me double check that account. Because it said it was trying to say I had more than 2 contracts. When I do not. my account number. Yeah, that's the account, so I don't get that. Potential bear flag printing or building out some structure. G Dre said, "What's good?"
What's good? Tell him I said what up.
He can hear you.
Oh, he can?
Yeah.
Oh. Tell him to jump in the what you call it? The mighty.
Dre, if you want, jump on the stream through the mighty. He likes showing love on the YouTube stream. You know what I'm saying? Helping me get those watch time hours up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, keeping those algos going.
Okay, so I'm having something happened.
What happened?
My screen's frozen right now. I just realized that.
Oh yeah, I see that, Duane. Try going back and reset.
Let me disconnect and reconnect here. Hold on, people. That was.
No, listen, mine was acting stupid too. It wouldn't even let me come. Like, why is it not closing? I'm like, hey.
That's the worst.
Well, saying's connect. All right, everything's loading back up here. That was weird. All right, so we're back. We're back now, people. All right, 11:10. I will be getting off here, just so you guys know. That ain't bad, dude. That ain't bad. Looking at the 2 minute, looks like we're getting ready to have a bear flag. Want to get below this third target.
Shot right back up.
That's dirty. It shot back up so quick I didn't have enough time to close. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Right.
let's see if it gives me another opportunity, or else I'll just close this out.
No, it's dumping though.
They ain't dumping on mine.
Oh, it's starting to go back up.
I'm like, they ain't dumping on mine. Like, maybe I'm
47,
behind here or something.
641, 642. Come on, man, keep going down. Let's go back down.
I'm getting ready to cut this. Not feeling it. Let's see if they get enough push here. If not, if the Bears don't bring this back down, I'm just going to cut it.
Come on, Bears.
They want to, but on that third target, it's acting as some slight resistance right there. Yeah, I don't like this dance it's doing. I don't like the dance. Let's see if they get enough right here to push us through the yellow line. I cut it. Don't like that movement. Don't like that movement. Because I'm looking at a potential bull flag on this 2 minute here. That's why I was like, if the Bears can push it down, then we're good. If not, I'm not trying to get caught up in a bull flag.
Yeah, look like it's going up.
Yeah, it's dancing too much for me. We already close this out.
Let's go up. Keep going. So you want to go up. You know you want to go up. Come on, man. Come on, man. See that momentum, man. You know you want to go up. Come on. Good. Good. Hey, keep going. Keep going up. Going up. So annoying with this consolidation, man. Damn. What's going on? Come on. There we go. Let's do a little more. Let's go up more.
Keep talking to the market. Maybe it's listening, G.
A little more, guys. Come on.
A little more, guys.
Come
Guys
on.
and girls.
Let's shoot it up. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. No, 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 no.
Don't do that. No, no. Yes, yes, yes. Keep going up. Going up. You don't want that. You gonna do that push? Are you? Are you?
It needs to do something. It needs to do
Do
something.
that push? Come on.
Look at those on the past 2 minute candles. We got those buying wicks.
That's what I'm looking at.
What's that yellow like on the top?
Coming up a little bit.
From your lips to God's ears.
Woo!
That's the pivot point. At the 727, Connor, that's the pivot point. This is not one of my funded accounts, just so you guys know. Trying to get some of these new Tradeify select accounts passed. So that's why you don't see me sweating or anything like that. So just so you guys know, that's the reason why. That's the reason why. It's just playing right now. It's playing. And I'm actually gonna have to get ready to get off here shortly because I gotta get these invoices out.
Oh, you want to go down?
Just got stopped out. Why do you see? What do you use to play around? I recommend trading with Ninja Trader, because with them you could add a sim account that you don't have to pay for that you can practice in. That's my recommendation. Yeah, I'm sticking to it. And you could put in as well, right? You could put in how much you want in that sim account. So say you're going to be trading with like Tradeify with the 50K account. You could put the 50K in and literally duplicate the same rules that you had to follow with the prop firm in your sim account before you even like trade your actual eval. It's a good way of saving money. I'll tell you that. Good way of saving money.
Real. How you looking, Steve? You've been quiet for the.
He was taking a payout. He was taking a payout today.
Yep, I'm taking a payout today. I'm just
How much?
It don't matter. A payout's a payout, sir.
Yeah, it's off my personal one, so it's like I'm
You as well, Andre. My bad. Go ahead, Steve.
No, but it's on my personal account. So, but what I like, I'm not doing too much trading today because it's chopping. I just hit my target and I'm done.
Hey.
So how do you guys do that? The day, how you do that, Steve, with getting the daily payout?
Well, yeah, just if you put your own money up there, you don't have to worry about their rules.
Yep.
Oh, that's okay.
But
Well,
you
gentlemen, it's been a pleasure.
And you do it through what? Tradeivate?
Yeah, Tradeivate. But I was also like gonna see about Ninja because of that way it's like maybe closer to the platform, maybe be a little more responsive too. But
Yep. Ninja, their brokerage is pretty good as well. I never had any like lagging with them, and the market's slightly different as well when you're trading on a live account like that.
yes,
It moves. I feel like it moves a little bit faster, which I love.
yeah, you got somebody at Tradeify saying, "Are you sure you want to get this guy a profit? Hold on for a half second."
Gotta love it. Well, gentlemen, I'm gonna be getting off here. I gotta get these invoices sent out to some customers of mine. So,
Right
with
on.
that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow morning for sure, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. And if I do stream tonight, it'll be from the restaurant, so I'll keep you guys posted on that, so you guys can see the show. Stay safe, everyone that's still in the markets. Have a great rest of your Monday, and I'll see you guys later. Be blessed.
I'm waiting for it to go to 580 so I can do some boxing. All right.
Get it done. Get it done.